Welcome back, everybody. I'm in my office, and I'm not sure why UPS is here, but they backed into the driveway, and he's getting something out. I got the horses standing out there. The sun was shining. There was blue skies. Now the clouds have rolled in. It was raining all morning till about 10 o'clock, and I mean a good rain. You can see our neighbors coming up the driveway there. Going past. But anyways, now the wind's picked up. We're under a high windstorm warning. And it was like those clouds rolled in and then the wind picked up. I was just getting ready to go outside so I can go check on the girls and see whatever that package is, because I don't know if we had any packages coming in, but I'm going to take you guys out there because, man, the wind is blowing. Our trees are just like going everywhere. But what good thing would be about this is that possibly, oh, Brutus, he's sitting right there. He's got this major hot spot on his back from some fleas, I guess, and just his allergies bothering him really bad. That's caused, he wakes us up in the middle of the night screaming because he keeps busting that back open. He's done taking his meds, but he still has that problem with just itching it. So I'm going to get my coat on, get my muck boots on, and we're going to walk outside because I need to check on the girls. And then I'm going to grab that package so you guys can join me. Nothing like having to, I got to twist my pants so I can put them in. I only wear a boot cut. Right, Brutus? You watch the house. Not that I'm leaving, but I am going outside, so you watch the house. There's Milo. Milo, what you doing, boy? Huh? What's you in the hut? What's you in there? You got stuff all over you. Yes, what the heck you got all over you? Some mud? Where's everybody else at, huh? The phone's just, videos just don't do it justice watching these trees blow around. Just does not. But we're gonna go out there. As you see, the ice is almost gone, but it's still right here in the corner, and I guarantee it's pretty darn icy. So I need to watch where I go, because yesterday I did I hurt myself. I did a fling back kind of slide. I'm gonna try to walk in this mud or this dirt right here, where you can see the waters ran off, and it's just caused me to jerk my body around. And I'm pretty sure that UPS guy didn't want to come down the driveway because he's seen how dang muddy it is. Yep, that happens. I told my husband that when we put the new driveway in, that's supposed to come up through here, and then it's going to come just right on this side, so probably that tree is going to have to go, and then it will come up here. This will still be here, because this is not going to be like for, a driveway anymore, but it is going to be a drive to go out to the barn, back there, get wood or anyways to the garden. But we're also going to have a wraparound that's going to come around this, so we can have turnaround if he brings in like a trailer or anything like that. UPS can be able to come in here and turn around, blah, 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 just try to make it so it's a little better. Okay, let's come up here. It actually feels really warm out. I'm actually shocked how warm it feels. I was really worried that the tarp was going to fling that tarp off, or the wind was going to blow that tarp off. I'm like thinking too fast before words are coming out my mouth, and blow that off, and then it get rained on. But it looks like it's okay for the most part. I think I'm gonna put this on top of it though, just to make sure. The only one that I'm really worried, and it's not that I'm worried, but I know that she's getting close, is Cal. She's getting close. Jack wants to talk. She's eating. It looks like. Jack! Jack! Poor boy. Poor boy. Poor boy. Patsy. Willow. What you girls doing? What you girls doing? Oh, she's got a little bitty udder. She's like, what are you doing? Quit trying to bite. She's got a little bitty udder. Just sitting in the palm of my hand. Cal, you gonna come here? Huh? You gonna come here? Good girl, Cal. Whew, you're getting big. Yes, there is. It's getting big. Isn't her, Mama? Yes. Yes, there is. He's starting to sink in, too, I see. Let me see if I can see udder. Do I see an udder? Not really. It's about the same as yesterday. It looks like she's starting to fill in, though. Come here, Cal. Come there. Come here. Cal, come here. Come here. There you go. Come on. I just want to see. Then can you stand right here? Can you stand right there so I can see the back end of you? Let's see. Let's see. Just a little fuller than yesterday, but nothing significantly. Come here, girl. Let me feel your udder. You come here. Yes, you, Willow, and your waddles. Willow and your waddles. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Miss Snow White. You're such a pretty girl. Miss Snow White. You're such a pretty girl. Miss Snow White. Yes, she is. You're just a lovely girl, isn't her? Yes, she is. Lovely girl. Let me see if I can see. Oh, yeah. She's got a really nice udder coming on. That's a good girl. And her's just like squatted for me. Ah, oh, beautiful. Look at that. Thanks, Cal, for letting us see. That Ariel's not. That says she's not due till like the 27th or 25th or 27th. And I think that might have been a March. So we got quite a while for her to be. Okay, let me see what this package is. It might be just our neighbors because I don't know of any packages that we have coming, to be honest with you. Diamond didn't even say hello. I'm shocked. Where'd he put it? Oh, twisted my ankle. Where is it? I don't even see it. Huh. Put the ball back in here. Hercules, you're such a big wimp. I tell you, you spook over everything. You got Maverick there. He ain't been here very long. A year in May. And he's like calm as a cucumber. I wonder where they stuck it at. Here, we're just going to take a walk, I guess. Sometimes they put them right here, you know. I don't understand. Or maybe it was our neighbors and they went ahead and picked it up. That could have been. Man, that looks like really open down there. and around there. Yeah, so this tree's gonna go. I think my husband said that tree right there, that tree, this one. This one I think he said is gonna go. I can't remember. There was, of course, them dead ones, you know, like that one and that one, they still gotta get down. There's that one up by the barn right there. We want to keep it, but when my husband's got to take some of this hill down so water stops going in the barn, it'll have to go. I think there was one or two up here he said he still wanted to take down. And then I'll show you this corner. It's all got to get taken down on this corner up here. So our horse pasture will run the length of the driveway here. And then this whole corner here, I think even right here, all the way this way, all these trees right here, they're all poplars. Most of them are dead and they're big. And there's some smaller ones, but they're all gonna go. There are some maples in here, smaller maples. And then some of these beech, if they're a nice size, and we can save them from all these trees falling. But yeah, everything on this corner's got to go. So our fence will probably come about 10 feet off of our embankment here, run up that way. But they'll have a good, horses will end up with a couple of acres. I just thought I seen a cat down there. Yeah, I don't know where it went. It had to have been the neighbors. Sometimes they like to put them in this little house right here. But nope, I don't see anything, so we'll walk back up. But yep, that right there is just, that'll all have to go. So, like, we'll see. I mean, probably about right here is where our fence will stop on this corner, because we don't want them too close to the road, and then run back that way some. But we're going to have all this. And I'll just walk it so you guys can see exactly what we're talking about. And I don't know, like my husband said, we don't know if we'll be able to get this all fenced in this year. But the front half will definitely get seeded and fenced in. And if we have to wait till next spring and summer to get the back half of this fenced in and seeded, then that's what we'll do. But we also wanted to section it off so they're not... If like a tree or something were to fall, then we could section the horses off in the other part where they wouldn't be at and deal with the tree down or whatever it might be. Or if we feel like we only want them in one section to let the other section grow up, we can do that too, and vice versa. But that's our plans. And our fence will run just right on the other side of this. And it'll keep going like this. And then our driveway is going to come right up like this way and go down. So the fence will come along here. It'll be just a couple feet on the other side of our driveway, but our driveway is going to come right through here, go down there and come up like this, back up into there, and like I said, there'll be a drive around. But the horses will get this and all the way over to the side of this side of the driveway, and it'll come up. Maverick, are you watching me, boy? Huh? Are you? You gonna come here? You gonna come here? Do you want petted? Huh? You gonna come here? Come on. Come here, Maverick. Come on. You're not gonna come to me today? Huh? You're not gonna come see me? like, I don't know. I don't know. You gonna come here? No? Come on. He says, yeah, I don't want to. It's windy out. There's so much going on. You got Meg over there biting the panel. Well, look at this. He decided to come see his mom. Right, boy? Hi. Hi, handsome. No bite. No biting. No biting. First thing he wants to do is try to get something out of your hand. Huh. But there's no biting. No. No biting, boy. You want me to pet you? Hmm? You want me to pet him? You feel like you're wet. Why are you so wet? Was you out in the rain? Huh? Was you out in the rain? Was ya? Was you out in the rain, boy? Huh? No biting. No biting. No biting. No biting. No. No. You got that from Hercules, didn't you, boy? Yes, he did. He got that from Hercules. Quit. Stop biting. I told you not to do that. Good boy. See, I don't mean to hurt you, but you cannot bite. I'm not another horse. I'm not another horse. You're not going to bite. Okay? Good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. All right. So, we're going to finish talking. We're going for the horse pasture. So, like I said, it will come just on this side of our driveway, which is down there. Come back up on this side of where our original drive is. Back up this way. So, I'm going to take you back down by the goats, because that's the only quickest, easiest showway as I can show you. So the driveway, the fence will come to about right here. So it'll come, you know, have a little bit, but it can curve or whatever, but it's going to come this way. So we're even with where the pen separates the girls from the donkeys. So straight back like that. You look like you're a miserable girl. You got them Lancelot babies inside you. So we got right where I said, straight over from the donkeys, what separates the donkeys from the girls. And this is going to come straight down like this. And then it will go straight back. So they'll have all that on this side, then forward. The donkeys are going to be from that top side that way. The boys' pen's going to come down into here. The baby pen most likely come down, and the girls' pen will be down in here too. And then what I want is a section, like a gate probably here, and a little bit of fencing to come this way. Because I want the girls to be able to come out, obviously, and come into this. And then this bankment right here has got to come off. That's why I said this tree's got to go. Because my husband has to. We would love to just keep it. But we're not going to be able to. Because all this bankment has got to, like, be taken off. So, I mean, this little tree's going to go. Probably that one right there. Actually, that one might have to go. I'm not sure. He's going to have to figure that out. But, yeah. Girls. I mean, there's a big difference between here and the ground. You see what I'm saying? So this has all got to come off somehow. Even if he has to taper it. But that's what he was talking about, tapering it. So it'll run off down there, all the water, away from the barn. He still wants to keep this drive here. To be able to go up to the wood and whatnot. But we thought if we had to, we could extend the goats and donkeys, or everybody's pastures on this side. Because they'll be Most likely a gate right here too to be able to get into that. But a gate, and then their fence is going to come up. Oh, it's like really, really, really smushy back here. So, I mean, we're walking away from the barn here. And the fence end was supposed to come up over here. I mean, I'm talking like where the girls will end at. It was about right here. Which, as you can see, it's a nice distance. And then it was going to come this way. But my husband thought if we had to, we could still go up a little further. Probably another 20 feet this way. And we could clear some of this out. We could keep probably the hill and the trees and whatnot there. As long as there's nothing too crazy looking or dead. I think my husband said there was a couple up here that were not very good looking. But we could fence this end too. To give a little more for the goats and the donkeys. But I'm just saying, like, girls' pen. And if we had to, we could run it up and come back down like that. Their pen's going to come to about to this tree, I would say, and then down. There's going to be a little 16-foot, a gate, and whatever minus 16 off of the gate is for a baby pen. And it's probably where I'll keep my young yearlings until they're ready to kid and milk, and then they'll move into there. And then from there, like whatever 16 feet is, then the boys' pen will come, and they'll get from, I'm going to say from this tree here, I'm just going to talk from this tree down, and then they're going to come probably up to this right here. So it'd be the corner of our hill to wherever the corner of it is. And then, like I said, we can always go back a little further. The donkeys will get all this from wherever we stop with the boys' pen. The donkeys will get all this up to, and I'm talking, you know, they're gonna get the corner of this. So this right here, probably up to about right where that tree's at, and then back up. And they're gonna go back, and it's gonna come back this way and come back this way is where we plan on putting it. Fencing, I know the price of fencing has gone up so much that it's not even funny. Priority is the goats' pens for when we get them put up are permanent. So whatever they get is permanent. So what I was telling my husband that I wanted to be able to give the donkeys as much space as they can get and bring them over to where our property starts to go down, because we own all the way up to the road. And then our neighbors that live right over here, they own right up to our property line too, but we want to stay about 8 to 10 feet off of the property line this way toward us. But like, we can curve it, come this way, and then back up and around. So they come back up. They'd have, I don't know, probably a good ½ acre here maybe for the donkeys, and it's just the two of them. My husband said he would probably like to get another one maybe. I don't know if that's for sure, but he did say he would probably like to get another donkey. But we'll see. Like I said, it's going to take time. We've got to buy more seed because I want to seed this hole up here too. But I don't know how that's going to work with trying to get animals in there. But like I told my husband, we'll probably have to section stuff off temporarily, you know, to be able to. I was hoping that would fall. It's sprinkling right now. But I just wanted to take you guys out, kind of show you what our hopes are to be for this year, what we're planning, what our expansions of permanent pens will be. The horses are just trying to get moved there to up here, so they're not in that slop to be temporary until we can get this all seeded, and you know, then we'll get that fenced in. My husband said he's not even sure that they'll even be in it this year. And like I was like, yeah, probably not, but we don't know. Because we don't know, you know, when it comes to how much the fencing's going to cost. And we want to get the no step 6-foot horse fencing is what we decided. Oh, and then we want to put up a chicken area, and I kind of want that over here. I want all our animals kind of be on this side of the property. But my garden is going in over there. Oh, now you want to say something to me, girl? Yeah, I see you looking with your big old butt. I see you looking, Diamond. I see ya. But I figured the chickens, we could fence this whole area in and grass seed it so they can eat grass and stuff. We got to find an area for the ducks. And I would really like to put the ducks up over here, even though that's still close to the house, and make them a little pond or something to be on that side. But my husband's thinking about too is clearing that back half and making that a hay field. I don't know if that's actually going to happen, but it's a lot. Like I told my husband, I want my garden to be 100 feet in and 200 feet this way, and I don't know how far that is. I'm thinking it's probably to about right here, and that's how I want my garden, because I want to get my trees put in here and then have a garden. Probably I want maybe some flower beds too. I don't know. I haven't decided that far, but there's a lot of cleanup that's got to get done, because I want to get stuff planted no later than Labor Day, and that's in May. I gotta start seeds pretty soon. I usually like starting them in March, because then that gives me the whole month of March. I'm gonna end up falling, not paying attention where I'm walking. The whole month of April and almost the whole month of May for plants to establish and be a pretty good size. And I've got grow lights and everything, so I could keep them growing till then. But yeah, so that will be our turnaround for the new driveway. Up through there, back up like I showed you, kind of back that way, and this will be all horse pasture. So hopefully you guys can see what we're talking about. And if you stay with us and just watch the journey of making our homestead here, farm, ranch, whatever you want to call it, it is whatever it is. To us, this is our home, you know, and we are going to make it the way we want it. So thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all our new subscribers. Welcome to the family, and we'll see everybody tomorrow. Until next time, God bless.